Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the numerical related to sinusoidal pulse width modulation technique. Okay, so let us read the example. The figure below shows a half bridge voltage source inverter supplying an RL load. Okay, so here we are having the half bridge inverter. Okay, but in that also please be careful. It is given that the input voltage is VDC, right? Input voltage is VDC. It is given input voltage is equal to VDC. Okay, so instead of VDC by 2, now we need to consider the voltage is VDC only. Okay, so here input voltage is VDC. Next, R is 40 ohm. It is given R is equal to 40 ohm, right? Next, L is equal to 0.3 by pi. Okay, Henry. Next, the desired fundamental frequency of the load voltage is 50 hertz. Okay, so fundamental frequency is same as that of the output voltage frequency, so it is equal to 50 hertz, right? It is given it as a equal to 50 hertz. Okay, next, again it is given that the switch control signals of the converter are generated using sinusoidal pulse width modulation index m is equal to 0.6. M is equal to 0.6. Okay, at 50 hertz. The RL load draws an active power P is equal to 1.44 kilowatt, which is equal to 1440 watt, right? 1440 watt. Next, the DC value of the source, that is a VDC, we need to find, and they have given the four options. Okay, so our task is to find VDC, right? Next, so first of all, can we find the V0 RMS? Yes, we can write V0. We know V0. Yes, V0 is equal to, it is a for half bridge, right? It is a M into, instead of VDC by 2, now it is a VDC they have given, right? Here it is VDC, here it is VDC. So here we need to take a VDC, M into VDC into sine of omega t. Okay, so therefore we can write V0 peak, right, is equal to M into VDC. Okay, so therefore we can write V0 RMS. V0 RMS is equal to what? It is a M into VDC divided by root 2. Okay, consider it as a 1. Okay, so V0 RMS is M VDC by root 2. M VDC by root 2. Next, it is given that the power is 1.44 kilowatt. Okay, so therefore, as we know, the power is equal to V into I into cos pi. Okay, so we can write P is equal to, V is nothing but V0 RMS into I0 RMS into cos phi into cos of phi. Okay, so therefore we can write it as is equal to, yes, V0 RMS. Okay, into, yes, what is I0 RMS? If you check I0 RMS, it is a V0 RMS divided by, we can write it as a Z. Okay, right? So into cos of phi. Phi is nothing but the tan inverse of, load is RL, right? So it is a tan inverse of omega L by R. Tan inverse of omega L by R. Omega L by R. Okay. So further we can write it as is equal to, yes, therefore what is the P? P is equal to 1440, right? We can write it as a 1440. Yes, 1440, right, is equal to V0 RMS square. Okay, because it is a V0 RMS into V0 RMS. Z is nothing but under root R square plus omega L bracket square, right? So R is nothing but, it is given R is equal to 40 ohm, L is 0.3 by pi. Okay, so R is 40 ohm. We can write it as 40 square. Okay, or I am writing it as a R square plus omega L bracket square, right, into cos of tan inverse of, yes, this can be written as omega L by R. Okay, so further we can write it as is equal to V0 RMS square divided by under root 40 square, okay, plus omega is 2 pi f, 2 into pi into 50, okay, into L is a 0.3 by pi. It is given L is equal to 0.3 by pi. Okay, so we can write it as a 0.3 by pi. So it is equal to 0.3 divided by pi, right? Bracket square, right? This is the Z, okay, into cos of, I am writing here, into cos of tan inverse of, right, omega L by R, 2 pi into 50 into 0.3 by pi, okay, divided by R, right? So right, this term, okay. So now further we can write it as is equal to, yes, V0 RMS square, this is a 1440 is equal to V0 RMS square, right, divided by, yes, if you check it is a under root 40 square plus, yes, 100 pi, right, and again pi will get cancel, 100 into 0.3, okay, so it is a 30 square, okay, it is equal to 50, V0 RMS square divided by 50 into, yes, cos of tan inverse of that term, right? What is the R? Yes, here we can directly write R is equal to 50, right? R is equal to 40, sorry, R is equal to 40, okay. So further we can write it as is equal to, if tan inverse of 30 divided by 40, okay, cos of that term, so it is a 0.8, okay, into 0.8. So from this can we find V0 RMS square? Yes, therefore V0 RMS square is equal to 1440 into 50 divided by 0.8. It is a 90,000, okay, okay, this is a 90,000. So therefore V0 RMS is equal to under root of 90,000, right? So it is a 300. V0 RMS is equal to 300 volt, okay. This is we are getting, okay. Next, but we are having V0 RMS is equal to MVDC by root 2, okay. So therefore we can write from 1, therefore from 1 we can write V0 RMS is equal to M into VDC divided by root 2, right, MVDC divided by root 2, right. So this is MVDC by root 2. Again, what is the V0 RMS? V0 RMS is 300, okay, so we can write it as a 300, yes, 300 is equal to M is given, it is a 0.6, okay, into VDC we need to find divided by root 2. So from this can you find VDC? Yes, VDC is equal to 300 into root 2 divided by 0.6. It is a 707.106, 707.106, okay. So volt, which is equal to, yes, 500 root 2 volt, right. 500 root 2 is 707, okay. So correct answer is option C, okay. Option C is a correct answer. Is this clear? Okay. So this is about the numerical related to sinusoidal pulse width modulation technique, okay. In the next video we are going to discuss the harmonic reduction techniques, right, harmonic reduction techniques. Thank you.